Hey everybody, Rising Phoenix Antiques. This video is a little dark because I wanted you guys to be able to see the tubes on this Fisher tube gear that we're looking at today. We've got the, let's see, this is the R200 tuner. And then to our right is the X101B amplifier. Now, we have not gotten a good result from the amplifier, but I'll go over that here in a minute. The tuner is functional, and we've got that hooked up to another piece of equipment up top here. So we'll demo that first. And
if sometimes practices can become
so that is the tuner right there.
A little bit mundane, and this is a practice we do here, and it's a challenge. Present the Nopius Bishop, and that is to look people in the
I don't know.
Slow down the three most magical.
The only thing I haven't figured out yet is this has a selector, AM, FM, FM automatic, and FM stereo. And I am not going to break anything, but for some reason that is super hard to turn on. So apparently it's not going to tune unless it's in stereo. But let's see if we can get... You can see that, you know,
give person a firm handshake.
It goes off station, and then
it's even more so true as
and there we go. So all the tubes are glowing, everything is warm. You know, your tune eye is up and running. We've got most of the well, all the tube covers that were on it originally are right there. We've tested A and B, left and right channels on this tuner, and they work. We did a very light cleaning. You know, we're not using fluids or anything like that, and just cleaned it up, and we'll take good pictures, but that's the tuner. As you can see, the power indicator light is on. It was flashing occasionally, and then I would tap it, and now it's on. As far as the tube complement goes, the four tubes in the back here, and I apologize. Yeah, the four tubes back here are warm and glowing. This back tube is right here. And then we have a complement of 6 smaller tubes along the front, right behind the faceplate. The first 2 on the right are glowing and warm, and then the other 4, as you go to the left, are not. So they are not heating up for whatever reason. I don't know if it's the tube's no good or if it's something in the circuit or whatnot, but that is really as much as we can say about the amplifier. So that transformer is warm, and those 2 don't seem to be heated up at all, so I'm not sure what that means. If anything, again, tube covers, what came with it is there. There's like 4 or 5 of them. But we tried to give, we took the tubes out, just gave them a very light dusting, of course, and put them right back in where they belong. When we ship either one of these, I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on. We are going to remove all of the tubes, of course, and package this stuff well, and that'll be up to the buyer to put those back together. So that's it. You can see, I mean, the face plates on both of these are in nice condition. There are some brass knob fronts missing. There's one on the tuner, and then here you can see 1, 2 on the amplifier are missing. So there's nothing we can do about that. The only other thing we're going to do is test the headphone jack, which we have not done yet, and see if that works, and then go from there. Now, all that said, I do want to come around real quick. The speaker hookups on the back of the amplifier are confusing. You know, I'm not a diehard collector of vintage electronics as much as I love it, but I don't know. I looked online to try to figure out the correct way to hook up the speakers, and I tried a couple different things, and we got no results. So I'm assuming, again, that we would have hit it at least once the right way. on one of the terminals, but apparently, you know, it's something else. So, anywho, this is what you're going to get, exactly what you're seeing in this video. We're going to auction these two pieces off separately, and then we do have a third piece that we're going to a Fisher tube piece that we're going to auction off as well. So all three pieces will go up for auction. Go to eBay and use the advanced search for sellers and search Rising Phoenix on the net. It's all one word. Again, that's Rising Phoenix on the net. And you should find us and everything that we've got for sale. And if we still have these, it is February 26th, I believe, 2022. So within probably 10 days or so, these will be sold. As always, thanks for looking.